Good morning, my dear students. Today, I will be starting with exercise of modals. Okay? So, let us move ahead. The first question says, circle the correct option to complete these sentences. Okay? You have to choose the correct option. So, second part. Would or could you mind lending me your markers? So, would be the answer because would is more polite and could is more formal. Okay, beta? Third part. I wanted to ask if I could call you today. I wanted to ask if I could call you today. Okay, beta? Now fourth. You cannot or would not drive so fast on the road. You cannot drive so fast on the road. Fifth. May, could. You just wait for a second. Could you just wait for a second? Now sixth part. Rahim can or may recite the names of all the state and the capitals. Rahim can. Okay, it shows capability. Now, could you play the violin as a child? Could you play the violin as a child? Now last part. They could not, may not enter the class because they were late. They could not enter the class because they were late. Now B part. Complete these sentences with modals from the box. Okay, beta? Second, why didn't you tell me that you were eating at your friend's house? I need not have cooked so much food. Okay? Third part, why did you wade so far into the water? You might have drowned. Okay? Now, fourth part, I need not have got up so early in the morning. I could have slept for some more time. Clear? Now, rest part are your homeworks. Now, C part. Use appropriate modals to form sentences suitable for these situations. Second part, advise your younger sibling to brush his teeth daily. You should brush your teeth daily, okay? Now third, request your mother to sign your diary. Could you please sign my diary? Fourth part, request your teacher to repeat what she said. Could you please repeat what you said, miss? Okay, now D part. Now D part says, tick the correct modals to express the function in the bracket. Second part, can I help you with the bags? Informal offer. Okay, beta? Third, they might be in the waiting area. Shall I ask them to come back in? Okay, rest part or your homework. Now let's move forward with E part. Now E part says, you are on a train with a family. Write down what you would say in these situations. Okay? Second part, you notice that another child has some comic books with him. Ask him to lend you one. So, can you lend me your comic book? Now, third part, you do not know how to fasten the sleeping berth. Ask your father to teach you. Papa, can you teach me how to fasten the sleeping berth? Okay, beta? Now, fourth part, you want a vegetarian lunch? Ask the vendor. I would like to have a vegetarian lunch. Meal, please. Fifth part, you want to go to the washroom, request the passenger next to you to make room for you to pass. Could you make room for me to pass? Okay, now next question. In these pair of sentences, tick the sentence which is more polite. Okay? Second, I am afraid the line is busy. Can you please hold on? Or I am afraid the line is busy. Will you hold on? First part is correct. Can is more polite. May I see your notes? Or can I see your notes? May I see your notes? Fourth part. Can you answer the door? Could you answer the door? Or would you mind answering the door? So, B part is more polite. Okay, beta? Now your G part. Your G part says, complete the second sentence using can, can't, could not, so that it means the same as the first sentence. Use the word given in the bracket. Okay, now, second part. I have forgotten everything I have learned there. Remember, I cannot remember what I learned there. Now, third part. I really hated the fact that we weren't allowed to have anything to do with football. I really hated the fact that we could not play cricket or football because it's talking about past. Could. My father was not too well off and was only just able to afford the school fees. My father was not too well off and could hardly afford the school fees. Now rest part or your homework. Now H part. Choose the correct option to complete these sentences. Okay, beta? H part. So you have to choose the correct option. When someone gives you something, you should thank them. Third, we ought to get going now if we expect to reach home on time. Very good. Now fourth, Anil has to overcome his fear of public speaking if he wants to be a good debater. Fifth part, you must call your parents immediately. They are waiting for you or they are very worried. So student, all the rest part are your homework. Clear? So this is the end. Goodbye and take care of yourself.